Hello my dear student, welcome back to your BSc third semester physics lectures. So in today's video we will start your second unit, that is what? Aberration. Okay, the second unit is there, that is nothing but aberration. Okay, one by one we will see the what contents are coming in aberration and the derivation etc. Okay, so let's begin with the definition of the aberration. So see here, first they given length formula. Already we know that the length formula, that is what? 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. That is what? Our length formula. So why we are using the length formula in a optics means we are using the length formula in a optics to exactly find out the position and the what size of the image. Got it? So why we are using the length formula means to finding the exact position and the size of the image. So image of the lens. So we are using the what? Lens formula. Got it? So in aberration what happens? So see here, if or the lens formula, that is 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, do not correctly represent the exact position and size of the image. So the deviation from the actual size, shape and position of an image as calculated from the simple equation are called aberration or the defect produced by a lens. So in aberration what happened means here we are not getting the exact position and the size of the image of the lens. So that time we are not getting the exactly shape and size means some defects are present. So in general that defect is nothing but what? Aberration. So by that defect the calculation is taken place by a simple equation. So see here, already we got by the lens formula that it is not correctly represent what? Exact position and the size of the image. Got it? So the deviation from the actual size, shape and the position of an image calculated. So some deviation will be produced. So by using the lens formula we cannot find what? Actual position and the size. So that time we can use the what? Simple equation are called as the what? Aberration. So aberration is nothing but what? Defect produced by a lens. So got it? So this is the what? Definition of the aberration. Okay, simple. We have to remember only some points. So in that we are, here we are not taking a lens formula. Why means in that some defects are produced. That defect is nothing but aberration. So by that defect we are not getting the what? Exact position and the size of the image of the lens. So that's why here deviation of the size, shape are produced that can be calculated by a simple what? Formula. So that is nothing but a aberration. Okay, that can be produced by a lens. So this is what? Definition of the aberration. So next see here, the aberration produced by the variation of the refractive index. How the aberrations are produced means here the variation of the refractive index with the colors. So here some variation of the refractive index. Already we know that two surfaces are there or two media are there. Here the first media, second media. This is what? A surface of the second media. So here having the refractive index N1 as well as the refractive index N2. So some variation. Imagine here we are keeping one lens. So some variation is produced in a what? Refractive index. So that time what happened? The aberration will or the defect will produce. So refractive index with the color of light is called the chromatic aberration. Suppose the variation of the refractive index is produced due to what? Color or using the some color light. So that time we call this as the what? Chromatic aberration. Got it? So next here, the aberration caused when monochromatic light is used are called monochromatic aberration. So here we have to take one monochromatic light. Okay, monochromatic light means already I told you which having the what? Single color, single frequency as well as the single wavelength. So for the aberration here we are taking the what? Monochromatic light. What happening means, so This caused by the what? Monochromatic. So here we are getting the what? Phaomonochromatism. 5 types of monochromatism aberration will be produced. Got it? We are taking a color light means a chromatic aberration. So in a monochromatic light means phaomonochromatism will be produced. So see here, spherical aberration, coma, astigmatism, curvature and the distortion. Got it? Already we know the definition of the what? Aberration. So in simple meaning, what? Aberration is nothing but a defect. Or by the lens formula, here not applied. Why? Because it is not can be find the exact position and the shape of the lens or the image of the lens. So that's why we are using here for the deviation of size and shape we are using simple formula. That is nothing but the aberration that can be produced by the lens. So how the aberrations are produced? Okay, how the aberration is produced? By the what? Variation of the refractive index. So we are taking a color light, then the aberrations are produced. That is nothing but what? Chromatic aberration. Suppose we are taking a monochromatic light, then the aberrations are produced. That is nothing but what? Monochromatic aberration. So there are what? 5 monochromatic aberrations are there. So see here, spherical aberration, coma, astigmatism, curvature and the distortion. So these 5 monochromatic aberration will be produced. So next, one by one we will study these aberrations. So see here, first of all, spherical aberration. So in spherical aberration, what happened? The defect in a lens due to variation of the focal length. In a defect, already aberration is nothing but what? A defect. So defect in a lens will be produced. So how they produce? By the variation of the focal length for a different portion of a wide aperture. Got it? So here variation of the what? Length of a different portion of wide aperture of a length will be produced. So such a type of aberration is nothing but what? Spherical aberration. Got it? So here variation of the what? Focal length at a different portion of a wide aperture of a lens is produced and we call this as spherical aberration. So next here, coma. The effect of rays. So here the effect of what? Focal length. So here effect of rays will be produced from an object point not situated on the axis of the lens, result in an aberration called coma. So here what happened? Effect will be produced through the rays from one object point. So here what happened? One lens is there. So defect of whatever the rays are there, the effect will be produced by that rays by the object point. Okay, consider any one object point which is situated on the axis of lens. Okay, so this is the axis of the length. Suppose we are situating the object point that on the axis of a length. So these result in a what? Defect, and that defect is nothing but what? Coma. Got it? So here the defect of the focal length by the what? Variation of a portion of a wide aperture, different portion of the wide aperture. So here what happened? Effect of rays. Effect of rays will be produced. Why? Because of the object point not situated on the axis. So here object points are there, but that object point is what? Not situated on the axis of the lens. So that's why the defect will be produced. We call that as what? Coma. Okay. Next, the third one is what? Astigmatism. So the astigmatism is similar to coma. Okay, coma already we know that. This can be similar to what? Astigmatism. So see here is the aberration in the image formed by a lens. So here defect, aberration is nothing but defect. That defect can be formed due to what? By the formation of an image. So how the defect are produced? So see here, object point of the axis. So the object point is off the axis. At that time, the difference between the astigmatism and the coma. So here what happened? In a coma, we are not placing an object point on the axis of length, right? So in astigmatism what happened? Object point off the axis. So there is no object point on the axis. So that is what astigmatism. So see here they given the differences between astigmatism and the coma. So there is a slight difference is there. They given, see here what are those. However is that the coma, the spreading of the image takes place. So by the definition of a coma, what is taking place here? So see here, spreading of the image takes place in a plane perpendicular to the lens axis. Spreading of image takes place. In that also astigmatism, spreading of images takes place. So that takes place in a plane that is perpendicular to the lens axis. Spreading of light takes place in the what? A plane perpendicular to the lens axis. So in astigmatism, see here the spreading takes place along the axis. Got it? So this is one similar difference between the astigmatism and the coma. Got it? Up to this we studied the aberration and chromatic aberration. When we are applying the monochromatic, the spreading of image takes place along the axis, but in that the plane perpendicular to the what? Lens axis. So this is what? Astigmatism. So next the fourth one is what? Curvature. Okay, so see here the image of an extended object due to a single length. So here one image is there. Okay, listen here, one image is there of an extended object. When the object we are extending one object, that time we are getting one image. So due to a single length. Got it? One object means here we are taking a single length. By extending that single length, we are getting one image. So that is what? Not flat one. Which is not flat one, but will be what? Curved surface. Got it? Here we are taking one object. That object is nothing but what? Single length. So that single length we are extending, we are getting here image. But that is not a what? Flat one, but that one is what? Curved. So the central portion of the image nearer the axis is in focus. So whatever the central portion of the image is there, that is near to the axis in a focus. But what happened next? Outer region of the image away from the axis and blurred. This defect is called as the what? Curvature of the field. Got it? So this is what? Curvature. So here we are taking one image as an object and extending that single lens or object, we are getting one image. But that image is what? Curved one, not the flat one. So that central portion, what happened? Nearer the image in the axis, that is focus, but the outer region of the image away from the axis. Whatever here the central portion is there, only that can be focus, but remaining is away. Okay, away from the axis, and that can be blurred. So this type of defect is nothing but what? Curvature in the field. Okay, the last is the distortion. So see here, the failure of a lens to form a point image due to a point object. So see here, what happening here means, here the failure of a lens to form a point image due to a point object. So due to the presence of what? Spherical aberration, coma and astigmatism. So these are nothing but the defect of the what? Monochromatic aberration. So by that all the defects are present. So that time what happened? The variation in the magnification produced by a lens for a different axial distances. So the defects are produced. Which type of coma, spherical aberration, astigmatism? Okay. So by that the variation in the magnification is produced by a lens for a different axial distances. Okay, that all can be produced for what? Different axial distances, and that result of the aberration, that is called is what? Distortion. Okay, so this complete today's class. Will continue this next concept in next class. Okay, thank you.